first and foremost thing is discipline in life. Whatever you decide, that you have to religiously follow. You have to discipline yourself for your target. Once you have set some target for yourself, differentiate it in smaller parts, then achieve one by one. Follow that routine religiously. Then once you start achieving, then integrate your achievements. Then you will find whatever highest of targets will be achieved by you. Smaller accomplishments lead to bigger targets, bigger achievements. Second thing I follow is there is no limit to human endurance and capability. It is you have to decide what are your limits. You can achieve anything, but you have to work relentlessly, tirelessly, day in and out. Hard work is the only key to the success and the goal which you have to achieve. There is no alternative to hard work and sweat. So anybody who want to achieve anything, please follow hard work and sweat. You will do whatever you have aimed for yourself. Second thing is, third thing I must say about is diet. You have to be disciplined about your diet. You cannot overdo anything or overeat. Whatever your body, once somebody starts doing sports, diet starts coming naturally. वैसे you don't like junk food and all. When you sweat out so much, you require lot of liquid diet, hydrate, fruits, juices and all those things. Naturally your body starts demanding, and we have to be disciplined about diet also. Then the final thing is कर्म करने से ही कर्म होता है. कर्मण्य वादिका रस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचन. श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने गीता में भी कहा था. स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा था, arise, awake and stop not till the time goal is reached. So जब तक आप उठेंगे नहीं, पहला स्टेप निकालेंगे नहीं, कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. So please get up, take your first step and keep moving. All biggest, longest journeys start with first step. And when you move towards your goal, every step reduces your target by one step, and all those steps taken together take you to the your destination. And I say, inch by inch you move closer to your target. Every day you improve upon yourself, inch by inch. You compete with yourself, don't compare with anybody. You should be better of yourself only. You compare with your present with your past. Your present should be little better than your past. By this phenomena, every day you will keep shining, keep grooming yourself, and you will be what you want to be. So that is my suggestion to all those who want to, change. Change is the only thing. You follow the change, you will change yourself. There are so many examples around you, around us, everywhere. We can change anything when we have decided to change, and change is the only thing which is permanent.